Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, more like my YouTube channel. So as you can see and notice about my hair and the title of this video, yeah, we're gonna be doing a hair tutorial and you're gonna know and kind of learn how I do this, girls. The video that everybody been requesting for the couple of fucking 3 months. I am so sorry, I know. My laziness didn't let me record it, so here it is. I finally did it and I hope you guys like it. So if you wanna know how I do this, girls, please just keep on watching. What the fuck did I do that for? Fuck you.
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder.
So the only things that you're gonna need for this video, sorry if I got too close, is a strainer, a pencil, and something to protect your hair from the heat. I use this. It was supposed to be only for like straining hair, but I don't care though. It protects from the heat, so I use it for that. So I'm gonna apply this all over my hair and I'll be right back. What?
Fucking door. You making a video?
Yes.
Fuck your video. I was knocking on the door. Oh my god. Why are you making a video in the bathroom?
Because I'm doing a hair tutorial and Sebastian is awake, so I cannot talk. Yeah.
What the fuck?
So once I apply the heat protectant thingy, I'm just gonna separate my hair, and this is how I do it. Like I separate like this. And then this little piece, I start like, I don't remember. I have like a very long time not doing this. I think I started I start from the back, I think. Yeah. And I grab the pencil, okay, and then you're just gonna roll it like this. You see? And then you grab the thing, make sure that it's hot, and then you just press it in. I do this like about 30 seconds. And then make sure you get the ends as well. That's how I do it. And then I pull the pencil upwards, like to the going up. And that's how I get my curls. Well, the back really doesn't matter if like they come out right or not, because nobody's gonna see them. So I'm gonna show you again and then I'm gonna speed it up. Wow, that didn't come out perfect. And if this happens to you when you try it, it's okay. You can go back and redo it. You know, I'm really patient, so it's hard for me to get like really frustrated, and yeah, like I'm really patient, so that's good. Well, not really though. And there you go. Now I got two. Now I gotta do all my hair, so I'm just gonna speed it up. Don't dream it's over. No, there you go. I'm done with that. Like, they don't have to be perfect though. Either way, you're gonna like, how you say them? You'll see at the end. So I'm gonna go do this really quick off camera, because literally seeing myself from this little camera is disgusting. So I'll be right back.
"2,000 years later."
For this side of my hair or my head or whatever, don't make fun of my bun, okay? I look better than you. Face. I'm just kidding. Yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, for this side of the hair, I basically just follow the same step as I did with my other hair. Ooh. And yeah, and I always start from the back. It's because it's way more easy for me, you know. But I don't know, if you ever try it, you find out why. Or if you like, if you do this and you do it in a different way, it's because probably that's better for you. This is how I do it. Mostly how everybody does it is how I do it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it the same. I'm gonna show you again how I do it. And I do it like this. Yo solo quiero vivir la vida. I always fucking burn my finger. Oh, and be careful. Do not burn yourself. It's not good. Okay. I have three scars because I burned myself accidentally. I got a big one in my stomach, close to my belly button, and two in my arm, but they faded. So. I'm finally done, and this is how they look. Cute or not, whatever. And now you just need, and then actually what I do after that is like to separate them from the roots. Like do this, like kind of give them some volume. And then I just go and I split some of this, and not to make it like more fluffy. And I'll do it just to do like this with my fingers. If you do it with a brush, I don't know, they're probably not gonna look right, or they probably gonna mess up. Yeah. Cute. I had a long time not to do my hair like this. Oh my god, it looks so cute. I love it. Oh my god. I remember when I was in 8th grade, I used to like wear my hair like this almost all the time. But now I feel lazy to do this. It takes actually, what time is it? Probably, I don't know, but probably take like an hour and a half. And if I had long hair like before, it probably would take 2 hours. Probably. But I have short hair, so it takes 1 hour or some minutes. And yeah, this is the final result. Do you like it or do you like it? I love it. Now expect me to be on Snapchat taking hella motherfucking videos and pictures, because bitch, my makeup and this fucking hair looks bomb as fuck. So yeah, if you liked my hair and if you are down to like wait 1 hour and 30 minutes on doing this, especially if you got short hair like me, then give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and if you did, thank you so much. I love you for that. And comment down below. Don't comment and shit, because I know some people are not gonna comment shit. I mean, yeah. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on my next video. And so yeah. Well, bye. No, just kidding. Oh, okay.